people, welcome to the channel that is empowering you with the what, the knowledge to help you build generational wealth. My name is Mia and I reveal the financial education that we do not learn in high school. And in today's video, we will see just how important it is that we are taught these lessons sooner rather than later. We are going to be taking a look at this young YouTube couple. They are barely 20 years old and just bought their dream home.
Tell them what we doing.
Today, y'all, hold on. Let me close the door. You know, we gotta lock it. We in our house, y'all. Like,
y'all, we finally got a house. You feel me? Y'all know we've been wanting to get a house. We told y'all we didn't want to rent no more, so we finally bought our own house and all that.
Yes, y'all. We told y'all big things coming in 2021. We finally bought our first home together, our very first home, and it feels so good, y'all.
Excited, right? They're not renting anymore. They are homeowners. Well, what had happened? Because in one of their more recent videos, which has since been taken down, they do express some concerns that have made them reconsider home ownership. If you keep watching the house tour, you will see them reference all of the renovations they want to make, their decoration ideas, all the purchases that are still needed, just normal, exciting new homeowner stuff. So what turned their dream home into a nightmare? What would make them want to sell it and so soon? I'll tell you what happened. Life happened. Like that board game we used to play growing up, that's what they should call the course that they don't teach us in high school. Life. Like, how do you send us out into the world without telling us that these things happen? Now, like I said, they have since removed the video, so I'm going to respect their privacy and leave out the details, but the gist of it is they weren't ready.
No. No. She wasn't ready.
No. Seriously, I mean, they literally went on and on about how they weren't prepared for this. Why didn't the home inspector tell them? To the point that they just wanted to sell the house and get another one. But Cam, nah, it's not gonna make a difference. I'm sorry. Because with every house comes its own set of issues. Trust me, I understand. Which is why I want to shed a little light on this and help anyone considering the venture into home ownership. Cause see, I'm noticing that people are becoming homeowners much younger these days. And here's the lesson. Just because you have the means to afford it does not mean that you are ready for it. Because you just might not understand the full ramifications of making these purchases. It's not just about being able to make your mortgage, cover your home insurance and property taxes. You have to be ready and able to deal with taking care of your home. Renovations, maintenance, repairs, that's all on you. Everybody's like, buy a home, buy a home, buy a home.
It's a great investment.
But are they telling you exactly what you're getting into? Society treats buying a home like such a big deal because it is a big deal. It typically means that you have reached a point in your life that you are financially able to meet the demands of owning a home, renewing your home warranty because that's not the same as home insurance, paying for Terminix or Massey to protect your home from termites and other disgusting little critters. Do you have a septic tank or sewer? Because that's going to change how you flush your toilet for sure. Bottom line, home ownership is not for the weak. It's a beautiful thing. It's a major accomplishment. But don't feel like you have to do it if you are not ready to make that commitment. There is no more calling the landlord and the maintenance man. You are they and they are you. There is no way around it. And keep that in mind when you start renting property as well. Even if you have a property manager, you still have to foot the bill. My money! And if that's not something that you signed up for, then yes, I would advise against buying a home until you are ready to take on everything that comes with it. But this is why I do this. I just want to share the information that will provide the whole picture so that you are able to make the best financial decisions for you and not just the rose-colored view of things that will have you thinking that you're making good investments and nothing can go wrong. But for Cam and I, it's a beautiful home. Can't wait to see it decorated. I'm so happy for you guys and I do wish you all the best. For more information on all things homeownerish, check out these videos. They are loaded with information that we don't learn soon enough. Subscribe and go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I post there way more often than I do here, so you're likely to get all of this wealth building goodness first on those platforms. Until the next time.